Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my video for the Canon EOS R. In this video, I'll be showing you footage from what I believe is the perfect camera for which to upgrade from the Canon 7D Mark II. I'll also be showing you pictures from the same locations as I filmed the footage. The first thing I can say about this camera is, just the basic image that you film, the colors are absolutely amazing. I mean, obviously the footage that you're seeing is edited, but the color that you get straight out of the camera is just beautiful. And the images, they're so clear and crisp. You really do get to see a lot of data in those pictures. In this video, I'm also using the digital stabilizer. Because the camera doesn't have its own inbuilt stabilizer, that means that the video that you're seeing is a bit cropped. So the sensor's cropped, but you're still getting a really good view of what's going on. I love the fact that it's full frame, and as I said before, I love the quality that you get on it. A lot of people online are worried about the specs. Specs aside, even when you watch the comparison videos on YouTube, just the eye test alone, the quality of the images that you're getting and the videos that you're getting, I think for this price you're not going to get much better than this. I'll be surprised if someone says there's something I want to do with this camera and I'm not really able to do it. There's not been once where I've gone out with this camera, taken a picture, shot a video and thought I'm not happy with it. In fact, I filmed the wedding and I wanted to color grade it and I just thought the colors that I'm getting are just so fantastic. I don't feel like I really need to color grade it. Again, of course this video is color graded a little bit, I'm not the best, but I just love it. I absolutely love it. And if you're someone who's used to a camera like the Canon 7D Mark II, this is going to feel like a whole new world, especially if you're someone who's used the Canon 5D Mark III. It's like that but much better. But you really get to see the quality of this camera when you start taking videos and pictures of individuals, when you start seeing how it brings out the details in people's faces. It's just absolutely fantastic. These two guys here were kind enough to let me film their faces. And I'm so impressed with the microphone. Here's a clip of a beatbox I was watching in central London. Everything shot at 1080p.
There is no going back. Drop.
think the quality is absolutely amazing, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you as impressed with the footage that this camera can produce as I am? Or are you one of those people who's done with Canon and you're planning to move to Sony? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to TechLoto. Also visit the Patreon page where you can support the channel, and don't forget to visit the website. Thank you very much for watching.